Salute, guys. Fair play, listen to my whistle.
Onto the mat, Kyrgyzstan. Үзүр Jusupbekov. His opponent, Mohammed Gabr of Egypt. Kyrgyzstan in the red, Egypt in the blue. Jusupbekov. Very, very strong wrestler, 29 years old, Olympic bronze medalist for Kyrgyzstan, and before that Olympics, you wouldn't have really put him in the medal rankings, whereas when he rocked up there, he meant business.
Red, no figures.
This is actually a rematch of the bronze medal match at the Olympics. And it's Jusupbekov who's coming over, trying to get the two. But it's Gabr who jumps over the top, tries and takes the 2 points, but it's Jusupbekov who initiated the turn. 2 points to Kyrgyzstan in that first exchange.
No. Stop. Blue.
Gabr asking for the challenge. And what are the chances? The first match of the World Championships, and you come up against the wrestler who you had to wrestle for the bronze medal in the Olympic Games. A tricky situation between these two. What's going to be given? They're going to... I mean, the arm drag attempt here from Jusupbekov was nice. Went behind, lost his balance a little, and it looked as if Gabr was going to make his way over that little jump, which he does. But was it Jusupbekov with the control? I mean, we'll hear from the mat officials in just a few seconds.
Challenge decision made. C. Red wrestler is looking for an action when he tries. Blue blocks his opponent in dangerous position, 2 point blue, and after that, red puts his opponent to dangerous position. 2 point blue, 2 point red, challenge won.
It's 2-2. 2 for the jump over for Gabr, but 2 for the turn from Jusupbekov. Jusupbekov will have the criteria lead. As you can see on the top left of the screens from the live stream at home, the highlighted box is the one in the lead if it comes to criteria. Olympic bronze versus Olympic 5th place, and we've really seen a rise in Egyptian Greco-Roman over the last few years. Created some top talent. First 3 minutes done, and although it's only 2-2 on the scoreboard, there's some nice action between these two in the first round. A lot of back and forth, quite a few throw attempts and slip throws on that. And Gabir, when he turned up to the Olympic, it's not really somebody on everybody's radar. Didn't really medal
Blue center.
at the World Championships. Barely even 24th place in 2023. Only ever got success in the African Championships. Rocked up to the Olympics. Won his first match against Georgia, 6-1. Second match, 4-1. Lost in the semi-finals and then lost for bronze against Jusupbekov here, but a great performance from him, what was not expected. Just goes to show if you make the right preparations and you have a good day, the tournament can go very much in your favor.
Давай, 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 action, action. Давай, blue, action, blue.
Both wrestlers working hard. Not one of them wants to get put down into parterre position. Both wrestlers scrapping away. And due to that back and forth action, nobody really being called for passivity at this moment. Seconds left. Nobody's really going to go down into parterre. So these two are going to have to battle it out on the feet. And it's Jusupbekov. He seems happy to stay in the middle and keep the hands close to the body. Jusupbekov holding on, and it's going to be Gabir who's really going to have to try and pull something out the bag. 20 seconds left on the clock. You can see him, he's driving his feet, he's moving, but he's having troubles getting him out of position.
Red, not block.
Jusupbekov doing a good job controlling the wrist.
No block. Red, up. Up, red.
Jusupbekov, a tired man after that 6 minutes and taking a while to get up to his feet.
Red, up.
Challenge decision, match C. Both of the wrestlers, they are in the middle of the match and they're in contact. Also, when the red wrestler is on the zone, time, finish, no point, no foul, challenge lost.
Foul.